guys, welcome to another video. So today we've had a parcel arrive from Born Pretty. Let's have a little look at what they've sent, shall we? I can't actually remember what they were sending, to be honest. So it looks like we have got, what is this? So this is their new Ocean Wave polish. This isn't a gel polish, this is an air dry polish. And the things you can create this is like, you know, the waves of the ocean, or like the foam on a beach, the sea foam. It's a really cool product actually. I've seen some really cool designs done with that. We have got two cat eye gel polishes out of the same collection, and we've got a glitter gel polish there as well. And then this one in the box, if I'm not mistaken, I think was also a cat eye as well. Let's have a little look. Yes, this one was a cat eye as well. So this one's called Summer Light NY434. As you can see, massive, huge bottle. Look at that. Massive, huge 15ml bottle. It's massive, guys. You also get a magnet in with these as well. And you get a handy little leaflet. Now, what I like about these leaflets are, you get so many different languages in them. I think that's really, really handy. Look at that. All those different languages. So inside the leaflet, it just tells you the contact details for the company, the ingredients, warning, and how to apply gel polish. And then it also tells you how to apply cat eye gel polish as well. Really, really handy little leaflet, that is. So we're going to get them swatched today, have a little look at them. So we'll have a look at the Ocean Wave polish last, and we'll have a look at this big cat eye last as well. So these ones, you get 10ml in these bottles. As you can see, they've got like a plastic seal wrap around them. All my Born Pretty parcels come really well packaged. I've never had a parcel turn up broken or damaged, ever. Everything comes really well packaged. Everything also comes in like foam packaging as well inside the parcel. So it's all really well protected. So I'm just going to pull the plastic wrap off all these, and then we'll have a little look at them. So we're going to take a look at these two cat eyes first. These are out of the Rosy White cat eyes. So you get 10ml in these bottles. This one is NY193. Like I said, this is a cat eye. You've got your directions on the back. You've got your ingredients on the back there as well. These cure for 60 seconds in an LED light. So we'll swatch this one first, have a little look at it. Yeah, this one's NY193. This is a really pretty, unusual shade. I have not got any cat eye this colour. I actually like it just as a full cover colour, like that. It's like a creamy grey, but it's got a kind of hint of a nude in it as well, look. Can you see that? It's a really, really pretty colour. And as a full cover colour, it's just got that little bit of shimmer in it as well. I really, really like it. So unusual. It's a really creamy one as well. So that's what it looks like with the cat eye effect. As you can see, it's a really subtle cat eye effect. Just a kind of little bit of a white strip shining through. So now we're going to use the paper clip, and we're going to do the viral cat eye heart trend. So that's what it looks like with the cat eye heart. Look at that. It just looks like a little light glowing through, doesn't it? A little heart-shaped light glowing through. I like it. So on to the next one. This one is NY195. Like I say, it's out of the same collection, the Rosy White collection. But this is a really pretty, I'd call it like a powder pink. A little bit of a dusky pink. I really like this. Again, even just as a full cover colour, it is beautiful. I would actually use that as a nail bed colour if I was doing a Frenchie or something. It's really, really pretty. So now we're going to take the magnet, bring that cat eye effect out, just like that, and then flip it round, use the paper clip to do the cat eye heart. And that's what it looks like with the cat eye heart. Again, it just looks like a really pretty heart-shaped light glowing through. It's cute, isn't it? Right, guys, so on to the next one. So this one is TS39, which is called Frost White. As you can see, this is a glitter gel polish. What I like about this is it's not cram-packed full of glitters, so you could use it as a topper over different base colours. Look at that, guys. It's a really pretty, like, iridescent silver. I really, really like that. Obviously, you could use it as a full-on glitter gel polish. You just apply a couple of coats instead of one coat. So now we're on to the big 15ml bottle of cat eye. Like I said earlier, this one is called Summer Light MY434. Look at that colour, guys. Ooh, that is so pretty, like a pinky purple. I really like that just as a full cover colour without the cat eye effect. It's lovely. Look at that. So it is a little bit sheer, but I think if you used to paint that over a natural coloured nail, you would get away with one coat. You've got to remember, guys, this is on a clear swatch stick. So I do think you would get away with one coat on a natural coloured nail. Guys, look at this cat eye effect. Ooh, look at that. How beautiful is that purple? It's so pretty. I love these cat eyes that have got like a completely contrasting cat eye effect to the base colour. So that's what it looks like with the viral cat eye heart trend. It's beautiful, isn't it? I love it. Imagine that with that silver glitter topper over the top. That would look so pretty. Last but not least, we're going to have a look at this Ocean Wave watercolour liquid. So on the back, you've got the ingredients there if you want to have a quick look through those. So this is not a gel, guys. This is actually a nail polish, like a nail lacquer, which air dries. Doesn't need to be cured in the lamp. So I'm going to show you different ways you can use this stuff. So I've pulled out this sea blue cat eye, also from Born Pretty. Guys, this cat eye is absolutely beautiful. I've used this because it gives me kind of sea vibes with a little bit of a twist. So as you can see, it's a really beautiful dark bluey green. But when you bring that cat eye effect out, it brings out this gorgeous, look at that, gorgeous like turquoisey blue. But when the light hits it, look at that purple. Ooh, stunning, isn't it? The first thing you can use it with is this watercolour nail gel. So this is actually a gel which needs to be cured in an LED lamp. But I'm not going to actually cure it just yet. So I've applied a full coat of that to the swatch stick. I'm not curing that. And then we're going to apply this Ocean Wave into the uncured watercolour nail gel. Just like that. And then we're just going to let it do its thing. Just going to let it fizz and bubble. Like that. Now, because that is a gel, I'm going to have to wipe this brush out of the bottle. So I'm just using some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad because I don't want that gel to contaminate the lacquer, the Ocean Wave lacquer. So I just did clean my brush off there before I put it back in the bottle. So that is the effect that you get from applying it into the uncured watercolour gel. Can you see? It gives a really nice foamy effect, like the sea waves, like the foam that you get on a beach. So if I was leaving that as it was, I would need to cure that now because we do need to cure the watercolour nail gel. But for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to wipe it away with some isopropyl alcohol. So another way you can use it is you can apply it into gel polish. So I've just applied another coat of that sea blue. Again, I'm not going to cure it. I'm going to go straight in with the brush out the bottle and we're going to apply the Ocean Wave watercolour liquid. Just like we did with the watercolour nail gel. As you can see, it has got on the brush again, so we do need to make sure we clean that off the brush. So we don't want that contaminating the Ocean Wave. So we're just going to make sure all that gel polish is off that brush before we pop it back in the bottle. So that's all nice and clean now. That can go back in the bottle. Make sure you screw the lid on this tight enough that no air gets to it, guys, because like I say, it is a lacquer. It will dry out. So that's the effect that you get applying it into a gel polish. Now, you haven't got to apply it into a cat eye. You can apply it into any gel polish. But as you can see, it gives a more subtle effect, a lot lighter than what it was applying it into the watercolour nail gel. Still gives a very similar foamy effect, but just not as bright. I think I do prefer the first one out of those two. So again, if I was keeping that as it was, I would then have to go in and cure that because that cat eye would need curing. So I've just wiped that off and I'm going to show you the last way that you can use this. So you can just simply apply it straight over cured gel polish. Or if you don't want a base colour, you can apply it straight over your natural nail. Just like that. Now you could use this to do ocean waves or the sea foam on the beach, but I feel this gives more of a netting kind of effect. Can you see with the holes that it's leaving, like the gaps that it's leaving? It reminds me a little bit of like netting, like, what's the other word for netting? Lace, like a lacy kind of effect. You see what I mean? Now that one wouldn't need to be cured because that is just air dried, but you would need to apply a top coat over the top of it. Right guys, let's have a look at the swatches very quickly, shall we? So we've got the 3 cat eyes and we've got the glitter gel. And that's what they look like with the Born Pretty super top coat over the top of them as well. But I just wanted to show you this glittery one over different background colours. I mean, look at that guys, over that pinky purple. How pretty does that look? What I like about this glitter one is it's not cram-packed full of glitter, so you can use it as a topper. See, they're a little bit light really to be putting it over, but look at it over that pink guys, that is definitely my favourite. Look at that, it's beautiful, isn't it? I love it. So let's just have a better look at the swatches in a better light. That's a little bit better. I was struggling to show you the cat eye effect in that previous light, but you can see it a lot better there. Although them first two, the cat eye effect is really subtle, it is a lot brighter to the eye than what my camera's showing it. I really like the colour of that first one. It's like a nudie sort of creamy grey colour. It's a really unusual colour, I like it. And I like the milkiness of the pink as well. I think that would make a really pretty base colour, even just as a full cover colour without the cat eye effect. That ocean wave polishes are really cool as well. Really cool product. I need to do some beach nails now summer's coming along. This is going to be great for doing beach nails, isn't it? So that is all the products that I've showed you today, guys. All these products are available on Born Pretty's website right now. I'm going to leave the links to all of them in my description box below. So if there is anything that you're interested in that you want to go over and have a look at, all you got to do is click that link and it will take you straight to the item. I have got a discount code for you guys to use on Born Pretty's website, so I'll make sure that I pin that in my comments, and I'll also leave it in my description box below as well, along with a link to their website. So if you do decide to place yourself an order, make sure you take full advantage of that. And that is everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.